Hello everybody, this is me, John Salazar, in this case in Colombian education course. And during the development of this video, I'm going to explain some important topics that I learned during this course. In this course, there are many important things for learn, but one of them is what I learned. One of them is what I learned. I learned during this course some strategies, some learning strategies that I'm going to be so useful at the moment that I'm going to be working as a teacher. Yeah, some of these strategies I don't have relationship with the text, and the use of the text are so important in our process as a teacher. The use of this we can put in practice in the educative context. In this course, we were studying too about the bilingualist problems. In some cases, we can use the text for solve some of these problems, bilingualist problems. Okay. On the other hand, on the other hand, I want to talk about contribution as an English teacher. I want to say that the contribution that I want is to put a grain of sand to make understand the young people or the students the importance to learn other language. In this case, the English, because everybody know that the English is a worldwide language, inclusive. Some research explain that in the future is going to be just one language, a universal language. That is, in this case, the English. A comparison analysis of bilingualism. We need to have a very good comprehension and at the same time analysis of the bilingualism. Yeah, because this part is going to be relation with the bilingual education. You need to put in practice these two parts, and you need to have and understand very well the bilingual education. Why? Because in the classroom you are going to be in front of different challenge with the students, and if you want to solve this challenge in a better way, you need to have and understand very well the bilingual education. If you have the master in the bilingual education, it is going to be easier to solve the different challenges and issues that can overcome in the classroom. Thanks for watching this video, and blessing.